Welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video we are going to talk about the top 5 staking coins 2021. So before starting this video, like this video, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for future updates. One of the most powerful tools of the wealthy is passive income. For staking revenue in the crypto market, you'll need to be familiar with a few popular coins. Did you know that the average billionaire earns money from 7 different sources? The majority of these revenue streams are passive, which means they create money on a minute-by-minute basis with little effort and attention. This is in sharp contrast to the normal person, who makes the majority of their money working a 9-to-5 job. Fortunately for the rest of us, cryptocurrency has opened up dozens of passive income streams through staking. Currently, about $200 billion worth of Bitcoin is being staked. Hundreds of thousands of people are benefiting from some considerable passive income. Today, I'll tell you about a handful of this year's best staking cryptocurrencies that you may utilize to move a step closer to being a billionaire. It's generally a good idea to know what staking is before you start staking. In the world of cryptocurrencies, there are 2 sorts of staking. Staking on a proof of stake, PoS, blockchain is the first option. This is where validator nodes store Bitcoin in order to process transactions on the blockchain, in exchange for transaction fees and block rewards. This is similar to mining on a proof of work, PoW, blockchain, except that instead of processing power, your chances of mining crypto are proportional to how much you've staked. Some proof of stake, PoS, blockchains offer delegation, which allows users who want to stake but don't want to run a validator node to lend their coin to one. The top 5 staking coins are as follows. Number 5. Polygon, Matic. Polygon's Matic is one of the greatest proof of stake, PoS, cryptocurrencies currently available. Polygon, formerly known as the Matic network, is Ethereum's most popular Layer 2 scaling option. It co-hosts Decentraland, Mana, and Aave, 2 of Ethereum's most popular decentralized applications, and it presently maintains over $3 billion in user cash in these dApps. Polygon's blockchain is secured using the Matic token, notably the proof of stake, PoS checkpoint layer, which creates cytokine snapshots and sends them to the Ethereum network. Staking incentives for Matic range from 520% to 5.2% every year, depending on the total amount of Matic staked, with the present reward hovering around 19% per year. Matic can be staked using Thematic Network Web Wallet as a validator or as a delegator. You'll need a browser extension wallet like MetaMask in both scenarios, as well as enough ETH for gas expenses. For both roles, the minimum stake is 1 Matic, and any stakes Matic has a 9-day unlocking time. It's simple to set up a validator node, but it's not advised because the Matic chain has a limit of 100 validators, and your chances of getting chosen are based on a number of variables other than your stake. As a result, you'll be better off delegating your Matic to one of the existing validators. Before picking a validator to delegate to, make careful to consider the commission paid by validators. Also, keep in mind that the consequences for misbehaving nodes are decreasing. So, before you send any Matic their way, make sure you do some research on the validator you're interested in. Number 4. Terra, Luna. Terra's Luna is another top-tier proof of stake, PoS cryptocurrency. Terra is a cryptocurrency initiative that allows users to generate stable coinage backed by digital assets. Now, the mechanics of Terra are outside the scope of this article, but the short version is that Terra stablecoins can be swapped for Luna at the correct rate. 1 USD can be exchanged for $1 of Luna, for example. If Terra's USD stablecoin goes below $1 USD, traders will be able to profit by purchasing the cheap USD and exchanging it for $1 worth of Luna. As a result of the increased buying pressure, USD has returned to its proper value. Terra's USD stablecoin is the foundation of its ecosystem, which also contains the MIR synthetic stock trading mechanism and the Anchor Stable Staking Technology, ANKR. Both of these protocols have received widespread acceptance, and USD is now the fastest growing stable coin in terms of percentage growth over the last few months. Luna is utilized for staking on Terra's proof of stake, PoS, blockchain in addition to collateralizing stablecoins, and Luna staking payouts are stable at roughly 12% per year. It's quite tough to stake Luna as a validator, and the bar is fairly high, given that only the top 100 validators with the highest stakes can get rewards. This would require a minimum of $20 million in Luna staked by you and/or your delegate at the time of the shooting. Unless you have a lot of friends or a lot of money, you'll need to delegate your Luna to one of the 100 validators, which you may accomplish via the Terra Station desktop terminal. Terra, like Polygon, has a 21-day unlocking time for all staked and delegated Luna, and delegation payouts vary according to the validator's commission. There is no minimum stake for delegation, however keep in mind that Terra's validators are subject to rigorous slashing criteria, which apply to delegated stakes as well. These conditions, in contrast to Polygon, include downtime and failure to vote on a network upgrade. If you want to buy some Luna, you may do so on Binance and other exchanges. If you're interested in learning more about Terra Mirror or Anchor, you may read my article by clicking the link below. Number 3. Ethereum 2.0. The latest proof of stake, PoS, cryptocurrency, Ethereum's ETH, requires no introduction. As part of Ethereum 2.0, Ethereum is now migrating from a proof-of-work (POW) consensus to a proof-of-stake (PoS) consensus. Even though the network isn't technically live yet, staking on Ethereum 2.0 began last winter, and approximately 130,000 validators have staked over $12 billion worth of ETH. Staking rewards on Ethereum 2.0 range from 21% to 5%, depending on the amount of ETH staked, and currently provide a 7.5% annual return. Running a validator on Ethereum 2.0 takes 32 weeks and costs over $100,000. Although delegating ETH is theoretically impossible, third parties like cryptocurrency exchanges can let you stay ETH on the 2.0 blockchain. Number 2. Zilliqa, ZIL. Smart contracts, transaction settlement, and token issuance are all available on the Zilliqa network, which is similar to other cryptocurrency networks. Scilla, the company's proprietary programming language, allows developers to run bespoke programming logic, smart contracts, and create new programs, decentralized applications, to provide a variety of products and services. While the implementation of Zilliqa is complicated, the system's ultimate goal is to execute smart contracts and confirm network transactions in a scalable and efficient manner. In this approach, Zilliqa is one of a number of competing blockchains attempting to build a decentralized application, DApp, and cryptocurrency ecosystem similar to Ethereum, Tron, and EOS. To set itself apart from the competition, Zilliqa employs a sharding technique, in which its infrastructure is divided into numerous interconnected blockchains to enable more transactions. Scilla is a native programming language from Zilliqa that focuses on security, and allows developers to create and launch customizable dApps that mimic real-world applications. The network's native cryptocurrency, ZIL, is used to execute programs, conduct transactions, and encourage actors that support the network in order to achieve all of these functionalities. You can bookmark Zilliqa's blog for more regular updates from the Zilliqa team, including new releases, newsletter updates, and partnership announcements. Number 1. Tezos. Have you been keeping an eye on the Tezos XTZ pricing recently? While the public's attention is focused on Bitcoin, lesser-known coins like XTZ are gaining traction behind the scenes. Invest in this coin now, and it might become a long-term gem for your portfolio. Let's take a closer look at the Tezos Foundation and their ambitious endeavor. Then we'll go over the specifics of how it works and how it benefits people. More importantly, consider whether XTZ coins should be included in your cryptocurrency portfolio. A slew of new coins have entered the crypto market, each with its own set of improvements. Tezos introduces reforms that will offer its investors a greater say in the company's evolution. Even better, it could turn into a profitable crypto investment. Tezos XTZ is a blockchain-based network that was founded in 2014. In Switzerland, Kathleen Brightman, Arthur Brightman, and other core developers worked on it. The Tezos Eco raised $232 million in Ethereum and Bitcoin in under 2 weeks. The project went on as expected after some management issues. The network makes use of XTZ tokens, which can be purchased on cryptocurrency exchanges such as Binance and Huobi. On CoinMarketCap, you can examine the Tezos price, market cap, and trading volume. What do you think about this video? Do let us know down in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from us again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go.